May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Today I brought you a new site for making money from the internet. As usual, of course, it is a completely free site. It does not require any capital from you. It does not require any experience from you. Very excellent. The site is for beginners and professionals. You can also make good sums of money from it if you work on it with effort and great focus. The site is based on viewing. The videos are watching videos that earn money. I try in every possible way to ensure that all the videos here on the channel are free videos. First, when you search for the link in the description of the video and what is in the article. After that, you search for the website link. This page will open for you. You will click on Start Earning Directly. This page will open for you. You will write here to the email. Here is the password. You will learn that I am not a robot. You will solve the CAPTCHA perfectly. After that, you click on Sign Up. Of course, the site here is Russian. Of course, after you register, it may send you a message, but because you don't remember, it will send you a message. Verify and activate your account on the site. Very excellent. After you log into the site, you will have the home page in front of you in this way. Of course, it will be all zeros in front of you. Okay, how will I work? On the website, the first thing you need to do is click on the word YouTube, which contains the videos, and all that is required of you or tells you is available. You have 800 videos and now you have 190 videos. All that is required of you is that you will click on the word watch, and it will tell you to look at this site or watch this video for 10 seconds. So, a very excellent witness opened this video with me, and all you will do is press play. The sound will stop, but the sound will stop and tell you to wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the amount will be added to you. Of course, many of you will say that the amount is small and we will spend a long time to earn a large amount, but I want to tell you that small with small remains big. Small with small, so do not say the original value. Small, do not say the original. I will spend a long time in order to earn a large amount from this site. You say to yourself, no, this is me. I will remain working until I make capital. I make $1, $2, $3, and $4. In order to make capital, you must be sure that the free profit will come back. It will not be the same as the paid profit. We have finished the video. It will continue to be prepared like this with me as you see in order to confirm the task. Once it is confirmed with you that it is complete, it will come back and tell you that the task is complete and so on. You will prefer to watch the videos. After that, here you have a referrals box. If you are going to invite your friends to register through you, you will get your link from here. You will step on a copy and start shopping through it. The link will take a percentage of their profits. After that, you have this payout. If you are going to withdraw your profits, these are the withdrawal methods. You have Payeer, TRX, Dogecoin currency, and you come here and put the value that you will withdraw, and then you click on I am not a robot and you click on request payout. Of course, if you are withdrawing from Payeer, withdraw starting from $1 because less than that, Payeer will not accept your amount. This will remain from Payeer, which has nothing to do with the site. Payeer will not listen to it for less than $1. In short, this is our site today. I watched the video. Of course, the minimum withdrawal is $1. The minimum withdrawal is how much? $1. This is very easy. If you work, you can work for $1. Of course, this news tells you the news about the site and the latest updates that occurred on the site. Payment method added, withdrawal limit changed, new videos added, video prices have increased, or video profits have increased. Follow the news from here. Of course, this Telegram chat is their own Telegram group on Telegram. You can ask any question in it. If you have any problem, the support will answer you and answer your inquiries. So I finished everything about the site. All you do is register your account. Of course, we will click on this and you must come here and activate your account or your email, which will have this check mark written next to it. You receive a code or message that you enter and you click on the link to confirm your email. This was everything about the site. You enter, watch videos, earn money, and withdraw your profits completely for free. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new video. Thank you all. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God.